Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. If you are looking to restore Windows 7, whether by rolling back from a newer version, performing a factory reset, using a restore point, or aiming for no data loss, here's a comprehensive guide. Before you begin, these are some of the critical preparations. Regardless of the method you choose, these steps are paramount. First of all, back up your data. This is the single most important step. You can use external hard drive. Copy all your important documents, photos, videos, music, and any other personal files to an external hard drive, USB drive, or network location. Cloud storage is also another way. Use services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. to back up critical files. Disk imaging is also key, but for advanced. So for complete system backup, consider creating a disk image using tools like Macrium, Reflect Free, or AOMEI Backupper. This allows you to restore your entire drive exactly as it was. You can now gather drivers. If you are doing a factory reset or a clean install, you'll need drivers for your specific hardware, that is motherboard, graphics card, network adapter, etc. You can just visit your computer manufacturer's website like Dell, HP, or the component manufacturer's website like Nvidia. So you can then go ahead and download the Windows 7 compatible drivers for your model, store them on a USB drive. Now find your Windows 7 product key. You'll need this for activation if you perform a clean installation. It's usually on a sticker on your computer's case, that is for pre-built PCs, or in your purchase confirmation email. Then go ahead and create a Windows 7 installation media. If you don't have recovery disks or a recovery partition, you'll need a bootable USB drive or DVD with Windows 7. You might be able to find legitimate ISOs online from archive sites or Microsoft, though Microsoft's direct download links for Windows 11 are mostly gone because it's outdated. You can then go ahead and charge a laptop battery. If you are using a laptop, ensure it's fully charged and plugged into power. Let's get to the first method, that is rollback from Windows 10 or 11 to Windows 7, if at all it's applicable. This method is only possible if you recently upgraded to Windows 10 or 11 from Windows 7 and haven't exceeded the rollback period, which is usually 10 to 30 days, depending on Windows 10 or 11 version, and if you removed installation files as well. Your data should be preserved, but a backup is still recommended. So to do that, go to settings. On your Windows 11, just click on Windows plus I, and then inside here, you'll now be brought into settings. At the left side, click on system. Now scroll through these options and find and click on recovery. Look for go back to the previous version of Windows 7 or similar option. If this option is available, click get started. Now go ahead and follow on screen prompts. You'll be asked why you are going back, and then the process will begin. Your computer will restart multiple times, so just be patient with that. Let's get to the second method, that is factory reset or clean reinstallation of Windows 7. So this is the most drastic method and will erase all data on your C drive. It's akin to getting a brand new computer software wise. This is necessary if you don't have a rollback option, restore points, or if your system is severely corrupted. The option here is to clean install using Windows 7 installation media. This is a universal method if you have Windows 7 ISO and product key. This is how to do that. You can boot from installation media. So insert Windows 7 installation DVD or plug in your bootable USB drive. Now restart your computer and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing delete, F2, F10, or F12 during startup depending on the model of your laptop or computer. Now change boot order. Set your computer to boot from the DVD drive or USB drive first. Save changes and now exit BIOS or UEFI. You can then go ahead and start Windows setup. The Windows 7 setup will load. You can select language, time, and keyboard, then click next. Click install now, accept license terms, then click next. Choose installation type, select custom or advanced. Do not choose upgrade. Now partition selection. This is critical. You'll see your hard drive partitions. To perform a clean installation, you typically want to select the C drive or the largest partition where Windows is currently installed, and then click format. This will erase all data on that partition. For a truly fresh start, you can delete all partitions related to your Windows installation, often system reserved, C drive, and then select the unallocated space and click New to create a new partition, then format and proceed. Now install Windows. After formatting, select the newly formatted partition and click Next. Windows 7 will begin installing. Now set up user account and settings. After installation, you'll go through the initial setup, creating a username, password, setting time zone, etc. Just follow that and set them correctly. Now installing drivers. Once Windows 7 is up, install all the drivers you gathered, that is chipset, graphics, network, audio, etc. in the correct order, starting with chipset drivers. You can install updates as well, connect to the internet and let Windows Update find and install available updates. Note that many updates for Windows 7 are no longer available or require event specific workarounds. Now install software and restore data. Reinstall all necessary applications and copy now your backed up personal files back to your computer. So these are some of the important considerations for this factory reset or clean install. All data loss, this method will wipe your drive. So you need to ensure that your backup is complete and tested. Driver installation is also key here, absolutely crucial for hardware to function correctly. It's time consuming. This process can take several hours, especially with updates. So for no data loss guide, this is general best practices for them. While a factory reset or clean install inherently means data loss on the system drive, the no data loss aspect refers to your personal files. Here's how to ensure they are always safe. Comprehensive backup, as we mentioned at the start of our video. External drives use external drives, that is copy and paste to your documents, pictures, videos, music, downloads, and desktop folders to an external hard drive. Specific folders also, don't forget any custom folders where you store important work or personal projects. Also browser bookmarks, export your browser bookmarks to an HTML file. This is how to bookmark. So I'm using Google Chrome to just show you a very easy step. Click on these three dots here and then go ahead and click on bookmarks and lists, and now click on bookmark manager. And once inside your bookmarks, you just click on these three dots again and then click on export bookmarks. You will just be done with that. You will also have email data. If you use a desktop email client like Outlook, Thunderbird, back up your PST or OST files or profile folders. Now restoring Windows 7 can be a necessary process, but given its end-of-life status, it's strongly recommended to consider upgrading to a supported operating system like Windows 10 or 11 for security and compatibility reasons if your hardware allows, and that is what I would recommend as well. But if you must use Windows 7, ensure you are aware of the security implications, especially when connecting to the internet. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.